squares and square roots. If we have to take the square of some number, we have to multiply the number with itself. For example, if we are taking the square of L, we shall write L square. It means we are multiplying L with L. First few squares, 1 square is 1 multiply 1, answer is 1. 2 square means 2 multiply 2, answer is 4. 3 square means 3 multiply 3, answer is 9. 4 square is 4 multiply 4, answer is 16. 5 square is 5 multiply 5, answer is 25. 6 square is 6 multiply 6, answer is 36. 7 square, answer is 49. 8 square, answer is 64. 9 square, answer is 81. 10 square, answer is 100. Now these numbers are squares, or we say that these are perfect squares. Perfect squares are basically the square of some number. Now if we find the square root of any number, we have to make the ladder with prime factors, and we have to take one prime factor from a pair of factors to find the square root. For example, if we take the square root of 36, we shall have the pair like this, and we shall take only 1 6 as the answer. If we have to find the square root of 784, from this number it's difficult to find that number whose square is 784. So what we are going to do, we are going to make the ladder of 784. We shall have prime factors like this: 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4. Again with 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, 2 6s are 12, 2 9s are 18, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18, 7 7s are 9, and 7 1s are 7. Now when we have to take the square root of 784, we shall put this symbol of square root on 784, and we shall write all the prime factors inside this. As square is basically multiply the number with itself, so when we will take the square root, we shall make the pairs of numbers, pairs of prime factors, and from each pair we shall take 1. Two cross 2 4, 4 cross 7 28. 784 is basically the square of 28, and we can check our answer. We can multiply 28 with 28. 8 8s are 64. 8 2s are 16. 17 18 19 20 21 22. 2 8s are 16. 2 2s are 4 and 1 5. You can see 4, 6 into 8, 5 into 7. 28 multiplied 28 is 784, and when we shall take the square root of 784, we shall have 28. Square root of 576. Another easy example of 3 digits. It's even, so we shall start our ladder with 2, first prime number 2, until unless the number remains even, we divide with 2. 2 2s are 4, 1 5, 17, 2 8s are 16, 1 17, again 16, 2 8s are 16. Again with 2, as the number is even, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8. Again even, divide with 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4. again with 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12, again with 2, 2 1s are 2, 16, 2 8s are 16, again with 2, 2 9s are 18. Now it's not possible with 2, so we shall come to 3. The next prime number, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3, making the pairs 576 is equal to, I can write it like this, 2 square cross 2 square cross 2 square cross 3 square. I will take from each pair one number, one from here, one from here, one from here and one from here. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So 24 multiplied 24 is 576. Next example, square root of 1764. Making ladder. As it's not possible to find that number whose square is this, so we have to make the ladder and make the prime factors. Starting with 2, 2 8s are 16, 17, again 2 8s are 16 and 2 2s are 4. Until unless our number is even, we shall stay with 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2. Now the number is odd, we try with 3, 3 1s are 3, 14, 1 left, 3 4s are 12, 13, 14, 2 left, 3 7s are 21. Yes, it was divisible by 3. We shall again do with 3 because we are going to find the pairs, and if we don't have the pair of 3, we cannot find the square root. We need the pair of every number. 3 4s are 12, 13, 14, 3 9s are 27. Now we shall come to 7, 7 7s are 49, and now we have another pair of 7. One pair of 7, one pair of 3, one pair of 2. Square root of 1764. We shall have 2 square cross 3 square cross 7 square. The answer will be 2 cross 3 cross 7. 3 2s are 6, 6 7s are 42. The next example, square root of 9801. Let's make the ladder. 9801, as it's odd, so we shall start with 3. 3 3s are 9, checking with 3 if it is divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 7 8, 3 6 are 18, 19 20. This 2 comes here, 3 7s are 21. Okay, again with 2 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. Now we have to take two numbers, so we have to put a 0 here. When we take two numbers in between the numbers or at the end of the number, we take a 0. If we take three numbers together at the same time, we shall take two zeros. So in the start, we will not take any 0 if we take two numbers. 3 1s are 3, 3 zeros are 0. Now 26, 3 8s are 24. 3 9s are 27. Again with 3, 3 3s are 9, 10, 3 6 are 18, 3 6 are 9. As there is a third 3, so we must have a fourth 3 to make the pair. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Now we are going towards neither 5 nor 7. 7 1s are 7, 8 9 10 11 12 51. No. After 7, the next prime number is 11. 11 1s are 11, 12, 11 1s are 11. Yes, the next pair is of 11, and the answer, the square root of 9801 is 3 power 2 cross 3 power 2 cross 11. You can see 11 power 2, 1 3 from here, 1 3 from here, and 1 11 from here. 3 is a 9, 9 11s are 99. 9 ones are 9, 9 ones are 9. So the square root of 9801 is 99, or in other words 99 square is 9801. The last example, square root of 7056. Starting with 2, 2 3s are 6 as it's even, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. Again with 2 as it's even, 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8. Again with 2, still even, 2 8s are 16, again 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4. We have just done this number before. 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2. Coming to 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, and 3 7s are 21. Again with 3, 3 4s are 12, 3 9s are, and then 7 7s are 49. Square root of 7056 will be a pair of 2, a pair of 2, a pair of 3, a pair of 7, 2 square cross 2 square cross 3 square cross 7 square. When we shall take the square root, from each pair we have to take 1. Two to the 4, 4 is a 12. 12 multiplies 7, 84. So 84 is the square root of 7056, or in other words, the square of 84 is 7056. Okay, if we have 9 square, that is 9 cross 9, 81. So 81 is a perfect square, and we can have 9 if we take the square root. But if we take the square root of 80, and if we make the ladder, 2 40s are 80, again 2 20s are 40, again 2 10s are 20, again 2 5s are 10. You can see here you cannot make the pair. If we take 5 ones are 5, you cannot have the pair of 5. You have the pair of 2, you have the pair of 2 again, but you are not going to have the pair of 5. So the square root of 80 is not possible. Until unless you won't have the pairs of prime numbers, you will not have the square root. 81 was a perfect square, that's why you could have 3 cross 3 cross 3 cross 3, and from these two sets you can have 1 3 from each pair. But here you cannot have pair of 5, so 80 is not a perfect square. 81 was a perfect square, so you were having pairs of prime numbers.